Hello and welcome to Let's Accelerate guys. My name is Tariq and I'm back again with a new video. So guys, in the previous video we learned about the data types and we made 3 videos related to those data types and knew about the types of data we can enter into our cell and explain each type of data type in the previous videos. If you haven't seen those videos, I have shared the link in the description. So in this video we will be discussing about the cell modes in Excel. This is going to be a short video. So before we start, let me inform you that if you're watching our video first time and want to learn Excel from very basic, then you can watch this series from the beginning. I have shared the link of the playlist in the description and in the icon of this video. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when we upload a new video. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, then don't forget to like and follow our page. So not wasting much time, let's get started. So the very first question we have, what is cell modes? So many of us don't notice that the left side of the Excel status bar displays the cell modes. But these modes play a very important role when we are working in Excel. So there are 4 types of cell modes, which are ready, and the second one is edit, third one is enter, and fourth one is point. So let's discuss each modes one by one. So let's start with ready. So the ready mode shows that Excel Works is ready to accept input from the user. So when we select any cell, Excel shows the ready in the status bar. That means Excel is ready to accept our input. So Excel cell mode can also be ready when the Excel user is not editing any cell, or user is not inserting any data, or Excel user is not editing any defined name. So when at ready mode, Excel is waiting for the user to input. It is default mode of the Excel. So this was the ready mode, but the rest 3 modes are the Excel input modes. So when the user is editing data in a cell, a defined name, a conditional formatting, formula or chart, the cell mode status will become any of these 3 modes, which are edit, enter and point. So let's go to the next one, which is the edit mode. So let me just zoom it. Now that's fine. So if you type function key F2 at any Excel cell, the cell mode will change to edit mode like this. So I already have pressed F2 key and I can see here it is in edit mode. So the cell mode will change into the edit mode, or the second method to come into the edit mode is by double clicking any cell on a non-blank cell. So if you double click in the blank cell, you will not be able to see that. So the edit mode comes only when we have a non-blank cell. And the speciality of the edit mode is that when you are in this mode, pressing the arrow key won't change the active cell to the next cell. At edit mode, the typing left or right arrow key will make text cursor move right or left within the data of the cell in the direction of the arrow key. Up and down arrow have no effect in the edit mode. And next we have the enter mode. So when a user is entering data in a cell, the cell mode will become enter mode. By default, the cell mode will become enter mode when you double click on a blank cell like this. Now we are in enter mode. So when you press a single mouse click at enter mode, it will change the cell mode to the edit mode like this. So when I double click into the cell, into the blank cell, we come into the enter mode, and when I click once again into the blank cell, it changes to edit mode. And when at the enter mode, you can change to edit mode by typing the function key F2 also. Like I am in the enter mode, I press F2, I am in the edit mode now. So you can also toggle between enter mode and edit mode by pressing the F2 key. So when you press F2, you come to the enter mode. When you press F2 once again, it comes to the edit mode. So at enter mode, typing any arrow key will make the current cell lose its focus by active cell. Like this, I am in enter mode, and if I press the arrow key, I will lose my current cell. And the last but not least is the point mode. So the point mode is also called a formula cell selection mode. So the cell mode status will become point when you start typing a formula inside a cell beginning with the equal to, plus, minus, and then select the cell that you want to include in the formula like this. If I press equal to and I just want to select this, I am in the point mode. Similarly, if I just go to the plus and I click over here, I am in the point mode. Same goes for minus. If I go to this, I am in the point mode. So this is all for today about the cell mode. In the next video, we will know the use of clear button of editing group in Home tab. And if you think that our video was helpful, so please like and share our video with your friend, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, so please follow and like our page and keep watching. Let's accelerate. Thank you very much.